He's built this machine for the guys in India, for Laxo. So they're one of our clients, and the machine is actually going to India. One of our machines that we built for Laxo is in Zambia at the moment. So they're busy drilling with it there. We're on about 3 different mines there. On Mufulera, we're on SOB, and then we're busy with KCM also now. In South Africa, we don't work on Cullinan. We work there. We've done holes in that raise boring there for them, and also the draw points in that for the diamond drilling. And we done in Koffiefontein. On the big project we done also is in down in the northern Natal. We done that project for the draw points, everything in the water supply for the hydropowers. It's got actually automatic diagnostics on it. So if you go into the system on the machine, if you've got a fault on the machine, it's going to show you. If you've got this fault, then it will give you a info on the one side that it tells you, okay, this is your fault, that is what's wrong. So it actually takes you straight to the problem. So for an electrician on this machine, it's his buddy. Because if he's got an electrical fault in the electrical pack, or anywhere on the machine, he goes into the menu, he goes to the status of the machine, and it's going to show him where's the fault on the machine. It's going to tell him also what he must do to rectify the fault.